Normally I would say good morning, guys, but today it's already in the evening, and as you can see, it's not my own bike. This is not a 4-stroke. This is a beautiful 2-stroke. And now you are wondering what is going on. Why are you on a 2-stroke? And my friend Jarno in front of me, he owns those 2 bikes. I told him I'm interested in buying a 2-stroke, and he told me, oh, nice, sick. 2-strokes are sick. He said to me, why don't you come over and grab a 2-stroke and let's go for a ride so you can get used to it. And I was like, hell yeah, we're gonna do that, because it's way different than riding a 4-stroke. But this is so sick. Oh, we're going to the left. Oh, ja? Oh, hier kan je gewoon langs afknallen. Top. Oh. Come on. This is so different than a 4-stroke. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, that was painful to watch, and I wasn't even watching it. Okay. It's been a long time that I have struggled so hard with a small hill climb like that. He was like a proud father that I didn't fail with the downhill part of the hill climb. And I was like, yeah, I'm glad at least that worked out how it's supposed to be. Okay, camera still rolling? Yep, we are still rolling. This sound always makes me so happy. Yeah, I can get used to this. Ooh, he's crazy. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, I'm glad my eyes still work, because if they didn't, I would crash and I would die. Such a dickhead. Such a dickhead. Wanted to spray me over. Where's he at? There he is. Oh boy. Oh, this feels so much lighter than my 4-stroke. God! Oh God, I like the feeling that it throws you all around. You're going to the right, yeah, your butt will go to the left. And I'm not used to it, so in the corners I'm still driving like my like I'm a nanny. But well, you see right there, ow, those stones hit me. But you see right there that the rear tire is throwing you and bouncing you all around. I like that. I can imagine if you have that under control that it feels amazing. Yep, that one is running. Oh, this feels so good. The wind, it's like 30 degrees today. Oh. This feels like my first day on a dirt bike. Oh God. Oh, this is so bad. God, that hurts like hell. Oh God, that was my kneecap. Oh God, oh, that was straight up bullying. Oh, dat was echt gewoon pesten.
Wat zeg je?
Dat was gewoon pesten. Ja. Hij zon tegen gewoon de steen recht tegen mijn knie.
Ik zat gewoon rustig op het kast te gaan en ik zei, nou dan. Sorry.
Ja.
Nee, hij is echt kapot.
Ja, ik voel het.
Oh fuck man, sorry.
Nee, maakt niet uit.
Oh nee.
Is broken. You simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now. But you do now.